Look at this. You drop your phone. You spill a glass of water. You sit in a suffocatingly hot room in the middle of summer. We tend to label these moments as bad luck, but the universe doesn't care about luck. These are simply the unyielding rules of reality enforcing themselves on you, exactly as designed. Think of it as the universe's underlying operating system. Every ripple, every spark, every moving object is governed by an invisible dictator, a strict framework of matter, energy, motion, and force. For roughly 99, there are 4 core arenas where human engineering takes raw physics and weaponizes it to upgrade our daily lives: household comfort, medical safety, work productivity, and leisure. Memorizing formulas in a classroom can feel incredibly dry, but practically applied, physics is the prerequisite for elevating the human condition out of the dirt. Let's start with heat. Left to its own devices, thermal energy flows indifferently from warm areas to cold ones. It spoils organic matter and makes indoor spaces hostile to live in. We built thermodynamic engines to regulate heat. A rice cooker uses a thermostat to maintain thermal energy. Reversed, a refrigerator rips heat away from food, halting decay. For comfort, an electric fan converts electrical current and magnetic rotation into directed air pressure. A modern kitchen is a highly controlled thermodynamic laboratory built entirely to optimize your survival. Outside the house, the physical threats get much larger. When a biological body is moving at 60 miles an hour inside a metal box, inertia, the tendency of a moving object to keep moving, becomes a lethal mathematical certainty if you hit a wall. We engineer specialized tethers. A seatbelt counteracts kinetic energy, locking against sudden deceleration. A helmet's curved shell disperses fatal impact energy away from the skull. To find injuries without a scalpel, we harness invisible sound waves and radiation to map internal organs. Medical and safety engineering is humanity actively using the laws of physics as a shield against physical injury. Human muscle is inefficient, so for millennia we relied on animals. Uncovering the mechanics of levers and wheels allowed us to multiply our physical output. Today, by bouncing photons down fiber optics, we eliminate geographic friction entirely, letting data travel oceans in milliseconds. This chart tracks historical human output. Notice the stagnant horizontal line spanning thousands of years of manual labor. Now look at the violent vertical spike on the right. That is the exact moment we started applying industrial and digital physics to our daily work. Modern economic productivity is the result of humans engineering vastly superior mechanical leverage. Once you have secured your food, protected your body, and automated your heavy lifting, what do you do with the rest of your time? You use reality's rules to cure your boredom. Our sports are live-action exercises in physics. Sinking a three-pointer requires calculating projectile motion, and billiards displays collision mechanics. We also manipulate sound waves to compose music, and engineer rapid chemical combustions to paint the night sky with pure light. Leisure is humanity transitioning from struggling against the natural world to playfully mastering it. Gravity, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, these forces are always running in the background, whether we notice them or not. But our quality of life only improves when we decide to apply them on purpose. This network map illustrates the crucial translation layer. Engineers, doctors, and designers act as the middlemen, bridging the gap between raw, chaotic physical energy and carefully constructed human comfort. Every road, every hospital, and every glowing screen in your home is built exactly upon this act of intentional translation. Look around the room you are sitting in right now. Try to strip away the commercial labels. Stop seeing appliances or objects. Recognize that every single item within your reach is a solved equation, a physical rule forced into submission by human ingenuity. Reality has incredibly strict rules, but once you learn to see them in your daily life, you realize we're no longer playing the universe's game. We wrote the cheat codes.